Non-defining relative clauses. Let's remember that a clause is a group of words that contains a subject and the verb, but that is not a complete sentence. Now, a non-defining relative clause gives extra information that is not essential to understand the idea. For example, this guitar, which was very expensive, sounds great. Here we have two clauses, and the main clause is telling us that this guitar sounds great. The extra information is which was very expensive. We could say that we can divide this sentence in two. This guitar sounds great. This is my idea. It was very expensive is extra information. So I combine the two pieces of information and I add the second piece as an extra information relative clause. This guitar, which was very expensive, sounds great. Another example. This bird, which flies really fast, is very beautiful. The two pieces of information are: this bird is really beautiful. It flies really fast. Combined, we say this bird, which flies really fast, is very beautiful. Another example. Dieppe, where people speak French, is a nice town. The two pieces of information are: Dieppe is a nice town. There, people speak French. But I put the two pieces of information in one sentence and I say Dieppe, where French is a nice town. If you observe carefully, in all the cases, the extra information is separated by the main clause with two commas. Dieppe, comma, where people speak French, comma, is a nice town. Now, can you do it? Here I give you the two pieces of information. Look at them carefully. Traveling by plane is very fast. It is the safest way to travel. Can you write one sentence with extra information using these two pieces of information? Please pause the video, try to write the sentence before you check your answer. Here is the answer. Traveling by plane, which is the safest way to travel, very fast. Let's try again. My neighbor works in a circus. She is a very nice person. Try to write one sentence with an extra information relative clause. Pause the video, try to do it before you check your answer. Here's the answer. My neighbor, who is a very nice person, works in a circus. As you can see, we are going to use the relative pronouns that we used with defining relative clauses: which, who, where, whose. Another example. That park has a covered bridge. There I learned to ride a bike. That park, where I learned to ride a bike, has a covered bridge. Let's do one more. That teacher helped me a lot with my writing. I can't remember her name. Here's the answer. That teacher, whose name I can't remember, helped me a lot with my writing. Now it is your turn. Use the two sentences to make one extra information sentence. Please pause the video, do the exercise before checking your answers. Here are the answers. My sister, who hasn't become famous yet, is a great singer. This neighborhood where I grew up is beautiful. My cat, whose name is Claire, is very independent. My neighbors, who are musicians, never let me sleep. Guillermo del Toro, who is Mexican, is one of the best movie directors in the world. That mall where I bought this shirt is one of the biggest in the city. I hope this video was useful for you. See you next class. Have a nice day.
Si te gustó el video, dale like. Si crees que estas lecciones te son útiles, suscríbete y compártelo. No olvides activar las notificaciones para enterarte cuando haya un nuevo video.